Behold. The ladder. Climb it, dude.
I'm scared.
Why are you scared?
Hi.
Must be waves.
Why?
I don't know. Just feel it.
I mean, it definitely looked like there's waves.
You can feel the waves.
The waves look surprisingly good.
Surprisingly, like shocking.
I'm gonna go try to catch some waves. So hard on that one.
Yeah, the left, dude.
Yeah,
you're
like,
flying. Yeah, dude. Yeah. This sesh has been so heavy. Oh my gosh. So hungry. So many incredible waves. Amanda is still out there and we are going to get burritos. Today is amazing. Yeah, Grom. What? Oh my god. No way. Oh my gosh.
Whew, I'm tired.
Not even stoked. Where's my long life friend?
Long life friend.
Oh, Tommy.
I don't think that that's what it is.
Tommy. What up? Yeah, dude.
Looking very good.
Yeah, dude. Yeah. There he goes, dude. I was waiting for that one.
Oh, where's the spot? Where's the spot? Marco!
Yeah, I saw it.
I'm gonna bring my whole family in here. Alright. Where's the toilet?
There's the shitter.
I just squeeze my cheeks on it.
Yeah.
See how she feels.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I can take it.
Yeah.
I sure enough.
Super freaking epic to see Tommy Cameron. Haven't seen him in years and grew up homeschooling with that guy. So really cool to see him, and I'm glad that you're doing well, my dude. So we're on the way to Home Depot. We're getting butcher block and our sink. So our kitchen will be under construction very soon. So that'll be huge. Once that's done, it's like we're freaking finishing things up. I still have to install the S-bar heater. That's gonna be a big project, but we are getting there. I can't believe the waves that we got earlier, and I say that because it's been flat for forever. So, such a fun surf sesh. For like hours we surfed. And yeah, 4 hours.
Not like 4 hours, but like 4 hours.
4 hours, legitly 4 hours. So yeah, it's a beautiful sunny day. So yeah, it's such a good day. It's the best day ever.
Does my face match the rolling thing?
Pretty much.
Oh, really? Is that
No,
bad?
it's not that bad. Look at what we got. Grocery run, success. Home Depot run, success. So now it's time to check out our ladder. L ladder here. Wow, it's really long. Oh my god, it's gonna be so sick though. What? So we gotta size this ladder up and get it mounted. So.
Can it go?
Ladder is a success right now, dude. It's so epic. Look at this thing. Oh my god, dude. What? Climb it, dude.
I'm scared.
Why are you scared?
It's high.
Is it sick? Dude, nice.
It's so tall.
If you want to support the dream, like, comment, and subscribe. We just hit 127 subs and we're freaking stoked. So, support the dream, keep up with us. We'll always reply to your comments. If you have any questions, let us know. And yeah, we'll see you next vlog. We'll see you next Monday.